Hey everyone, thanks again for joining on another video. Well, it got pretty cold out this time. I got called out about a burst shutoff valve outside the house. You can see it burst out the side here, and I'll explain what happened. The outside casing of the valve is made of brass. It's a pretty soft metal, but the inside has a very strong stainless steel ball. The reason it's made out of stainless steel is because it won't wear out from being opened and closed a ton of times. Unfortunately, these things do happen. This person winterized their irrigation system, but neglected to think about draining the mainline water that can be drained back into the house. I drew up a couple images of the valve, and pretty obvious here. In the open position, the water is just going to flow through. But when the water is stationary, water is just going to be sitting in this area right here. When it's like this, closing the valve, you're going to leave some water inside. With this water still inside, and it becomes cold and below freezing for an extended period of time, we do know when water freezes, it tends to expand, and this expansion needs to go somewhere. Just a small preventative thing to keep in mind. Well, yeah, that's it for today. Short little video on water freezing and expanding and breaking stuff. Thanks for the support. Feel free to ask anything about irrigation, send them my way, and thanks for watching.